Renaud, come in. Captain, do you read me? Over. Renaud, come in.
This is history in the making. This could stop climate change.
Gotcha. This is not a game. The people funding this project would do anything to protect their investment. Anything.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Alexandria.
He was decapitated! There's a killer on board, and it could be any one of you!
It will take us the best of 4 days to get back to Valparaiso.
Does the name Maggie Mitchell mean anything to you? If she's not on board the ship, then someone must be working for her. And I need to find out where she is. Because if it is Maggie, she's just getting started.
Welcome to the Looney Bin.